Hello, welcome back. This is the part uh, 6 of Afan Oromo series. We have been looking at how we read and write Afan Oromo. We started the first rule last in our last video of the rule short and long sounds. We said in that video that long and short sounds and long sounds mean to refer to how long the relative length we stay on a sound while reading it. We have some examples on that video. If you haven't seen that video, please go back to part 5 and watch that video. Here too, we're gonna see some uh, uh, long and short videos, short sounds, so that we distinguish between these two. This is the most important rule in writing a Oromo and also in reading a Oromo. So let's see some of very short sounds. What I mean, we don't stay all when we read or when we speak. That's what makes them short. For example, al. That's very short. Al tocco. That's when we use that al, just appears al as a prefix sometimes. All, for example, bar. Uh, these are very short sounds. We don't stay on them. We don't stay on any of these sounds. A and a la, al. That very short. Bar. There we don't stay like, for example, if this bar is English, for example, we stay on bar, but in Oromo it's not read or written like that. This is bar. As for English, this bar, so we stay ba on the first sound b, we stay ba. So that's what we mean by short. Wal wal barra wal gab chal chal jedhi, like that. As Kottu. These are very brief. We stay a brief moment in saying them. For example, as is it's not like as in English. So as in English is completely pronounced differently, but this is as all short. Dur, uh, dur, like we've said, is very brief. We stay on those words. Some of the words we've seen last time, mana. So there's two sounds there with a sound, mana, mana. So that's why what makes them short. The short and long sound actually is the sound of the vowel we produce when we say mana. That's short. Like for example, compare this mana, or I'm gonna get you some example here. Laga and laga. Laga, that's very short. Both of them are short. Laga, that's both of them are called long. So the more we stay saying the sound, that dictates whether it is being long, and also that detects the doubling of the vowels. So far, we didn't see the doubling of the consonant. We will come to that. That's a different rule. Still, we have doubling of consonants and also doubling of vowels. Here, why vowels double? It is because we stay when when we read or speak, we stay on the sound la, ga, lag, la, ga. So try to distinguish between this. When we talk, actually, we make lots of this. It's either short, long, or a mixture of two in any Oromo word. It's just like that. So we specifically distinguish those when we talk, and then we write them just according to our voice. And then when we read, actually, we read them according to the the letters or the way we use there over there. Let me ask you to write some. Can you write muka, muka, muka? So if you've written muka, that's correct. As both of them are short. Can you write another word? Nama, nama, nama. If you have written nama like this, or if you've thought of saying that, that's also correct. Nama. Can you write mati, mati, mati? Good. If you have written mati, that's correct. That's long. Both of them are long. Mati, mati. Another one example. Can you write kara, 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 ka, ra? That is how it should be written. Kara. So I stay short on ka and longer on ra. Kara. Give you one more example. One more example. Hatu, hatu, hatu. If you've written ha, tu, that's how it should be written. Hatu, hatu. So we stay only short on ha and longer on tu. Hatu, hatu, mati, on long on both of them. One more. Um, an, an, an. If you've written an like that, that's correct. An. I'm gonna add some more for you. I'm gonna add some more for you. Um, one, 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 like one toko and so on. One, wa, one is like that. There is no um, vowel for N. We didn't say any. We just nearly touched N one, but we stayed long on wa. One, one. We're gonna learn some of this. Naf, naf. Can you write sare, 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 sa, re, sare? That's how it should be written. So try to understand what short and long sounds are in Oromo. That's the key for writing, short or long. What we mean is that when we repeat vowels, then you know the reason behind repeating that sound. If you read this sare, that's wrong. If you read this sare, that's wrong. If you read this sa re, that's how it should be. Sa re. But if you these are not mean doesn't have a meaning. For example, if I say write sare, so sare, that is how it is written. But this is not a word in Oromo actually. But that understand the sound long and short. You can say anything. You can write it in Afan Oromo. Say a word. You can correctly put that word as it is spoken, as you have as you speak it that way. Um, I hope you understood this. I'll add you one more word for you here. Like for example, so we have seen actually different categories of them here. Actually, very short ones like the above at the top, al, all, bar, well. So they are very short, only partial. Mana, laga, muka, mana. That's one of the categories that are still short. Kara, hatu, these are partially um, short, partially long, uh, that's of similar structure. One, naf, and these are other um, partially long, but they are the short sounds at the end with no vowels to be used. This type of structure of Afan Romo is a little bit um, complex. We'll come to those, um, but leave them as it is for the moment and try to understand uh, what's long sound and what is short sound when we write. Like I'm gonna read some of them for you. Gari, beka, gutu, tufo, busi, busu, dima. These are all long sounds. If you can listen to me. Motu, sena, loti, chala, meti. These are all long. Both of the sounds are long. But listen to this. Fula, duba, ira, roba, dina, buba, duba, sorry, suta, bela, dega, jala, fana, waka. These all words have longer at the beginning, longer sounds at the beginning, and shorter sounds at the end. You can listen to them carefully. And also this category, mal, yom, these are longer at the beginning and short at the end. Nav, phone, one, can, wak, sieve, nav, and so on. And actually, all over short ones are the ones we have seen them in the last video. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.